I hope you guys had an awesome Labor Day weekend. I sure did, flying. Come along for the ride with me. I'm in November 12766. I'm practicing the Skyhawk, and I just want to touch on something that I might have picked up a bad habit flying in Southbridge with the Rest in Peace flight deck, which is no longer in business anymore. But I'm adding 0 in front of the runway numbers here, and a fan of mine, Jeffrey Ross, had commented on this reel actually that I posted a few weeks ago, and he says, "This is Jeffrey Ross. Everybody seems to want to add a 0 to a single-digit runway. In your case, 09. However, in the U.S., the runway is simply runway 9. Look at what's painted on the runway." He's like, "Don't believe me?" And then he says, check out FAA Order 7110.65 in Section 2-4-17. This is a U.S. deviation from the ICAO standard. The exception is to this in the U.S. in the military bases. So, Jeffrey, thank you for correcting me. Please don't pick up any bad habits from watching this program here, this show, this YouTube channel. So let's use the proper terminology, guys, but enjoy this approach into Windham.
Windham traffic, Sky 127645, left downwind, 09 Windham. Windham traffic, Sky 12766, left down, 09 Windham. Alright, 1200.
Windham traffic, Cessna 91 Golf is 5 miles to the south, inbound for 27.
Alright, slow it down. Flaps 1, 2, 3. Wheels on the floor.
I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Good Flight, out of Windham, Connecticut. Learn how to become a pilot or go for a ride up in the air over Connecticut. Give them a call today at 860-234-7419. Be sure to tell them Alpha Kilo Warrior sent you.
Two, three. Windham traffic, Sky 12766, left base 09 Windham.
Windham traffic, Cessna 91 Golf is 3 miles to the south, inbound for 27. We're actually going to overfly the airport at 1,000 feet and circle back to Norwich. We have traffic in sight.
Windham traffic, Sky 1276, turning final 09 Windham. Back pressure.
Hey guys, Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior. We're at Windham today, and we're in November 12766 as I'm leaving the Cessna. It's a obviously a different entry here. Here's the door, and what we're doing today is we're getting some fuel. So I've already got out and I moved the steps over to fuel the aircraft. Aircraft fueling is up on top. There's two places to actually fuel the aircraft, the right wing and the left wing. We departed Hartford Brainerd today with 12 gallons in each. That's 24. I'm going to fill it up today. The avgas is a little cheaper. You pump it yourself, and there is where we get the avgas from. And currently, right now, it's $5.47 per gallon of avgas. You guys see that there. And it's basically pretty simple. You put your credit card information here, put your tail number in the machine, and obviously it's going to print out a receipt for you. The fuel gets dispensed from here. We have to ground the aircraft for safety reasons, and it's basically a system where there's a hose rewind where you can rewind the hose and this thing comes out. And I've done this a couple times, and it's actually pretty easy. So you guys fill up your cars at the gas station. You're right there. You know, you don't even think about it. You just kind of do it. So same thing with aviation here. We have to fuel our own aircraft sometimes, and this is actually a fun thing to do. So I'm going to fuel the aircraft up, and we'll take some more shots. But I don't want to be filming. I don't want to be filming while I'm fueling, just to create any sort of safety issues. So I just want to go ahead of time, and I'll take some shots. Stick around. Check this out. Alright guys, so I brought the fuel nozzle out. I'm not gonna film while I turn it on, but basically this is the nozzle here, and it's got a lever where I think it's modulating, so it doesn't come off. You can throttle the flow. So it's not too heavy, and we got a long cable here that's running out to the reel. And we got a guy coming. I don't know if he's getting some fuel, but we'll see. Better hurry up. All right, well, fueling's done. I got my receipt, and it looks like it was 10.43 gallons for a total of $57.15 today. So number 12766 ready to go. She's topped off, and then we got this gentleman here fueling up, and pushed mine back so I don't impose, and I'm just gonna take a walk around. I don't think anyone's here, but this is the FBO Windham. This is where Good Flight is home based out of. Good Flight, they're a sponsor for the channel, a couple of my videos, and I'll post some of those up there. Take a look at those videos that they sponsored. But yeah, if you want to learn how to fly, and if you're near Windham Airport or in the area, 30-minute away, give these guys a call. Excellent instructor, beautiful airplane. Hopefully one day I go up in it. So catch them.